Guess what arrived today? The Osmo Mobile 2. This is the first batch to arrive in New Zealand, and I'm privileged to have one of the first. The packaging is really neat and tidy, as are all DJI's products. This is going to be a great addition to my gear. We have all the booklets. This is the exciting part. The Osmo Mobile 2. So glad to get my hands on this one. From what I've read, there's a lot of improvements to the old one. And the most exciting part is, this one is only 229 New Zealand dollars. The Osmo Mobile 2 connects to your phone using the DJI Go app and gives you control of the camera. There is a USB port which allows you to charge your phone so it can be used as a battery bank. This will need a charge. While it's charging, I'll have a read of all the literature. Tomorrow we'll go out and use the Osmo Mobile 2 and see what kind of results we can get. Thanks for watching, and join me again. See if you can spot where I use the Osmo Mobile 2 in future videos.